Welcome back. It's the last card. So this is card number 6 or design number 6. And by the time we finish this, we should have done 18 cards. Again, I am only doing one today. My name is Julie and I am the owner of the Paper Haven. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. I have got a weird little blob on this card, but this was the last one. I decided I love the presents so much that I wanted to do another quick, simple one with the presents. But I wanted to use some of the polished pink card. So that should be, you should have the 3 card bases, and we are going to, and you still should have at least a full sheet of the thin white, and we are going to cut it at 10. So we're going to put it in portrait or vertically. We're going to cut it at 10 by 14.3. And you're going to cut 3 of those. And then we need to cut some paper. Now, this is the only one we've not used so far, I think I'm right in saying. You can either use the iridescent side or you can use the green side. Now, I think I might actually use the iridescent side this time. And you need to cut it the same width, so 10, which I already have done. And I've forgotten what, 10 by 5, it's dead easy. So 10 and then half of 10, 5. 10 by 5. And I just thought this creates a little bit of interest on the bottom of our card. Like that. Okay. That is us done with the trimmer for today. But we're not done cutting because we've got to cut more of these prezzies out. I can't even see my desk, as you can imagine, as I'm sure your desks are, is a bit of a bonsai. Right, so pop the card there so you can see it and choose which prezzies I might do this one a little bit different because I've got a few down here. I might use this tall pink one. So I've used a couple of the tall ones. I might use that pink one actually. I might just use the ones I've sort of got access to down here. So you could use 2 or 3 tall ones. That little spotty pink one's nice there. Do you know, I might not even have, I might go with this one. I've got 7 on here, so see how many I need. Might only need 6, so let's see. So I've gone for more pinks on this one rather than the greens and the blues. Got enough light there. Let me just bring some light in. Oh, there we go. So that's just going to glue flush to the bottom of the design. And then what I am going to do is stamp the greeting first, and I'm using that big Merry Christmas to you again. Now mine's on a bit of a slant and I always seem to do it wrong. It always ends up a bit tilted up. So let's see if I can get this right. Hey, that's a little bit better today. Yeah, that's good. Right. That's all my stamping done for today. And now I need to cut these prezzies out and decide how many I need. Again, I'm leaving a little bit of white space. So really for most of these, you just literally need to do 4 snips. Yeah, some of them have got specific ways, you know, the bow, they've got a specific way up. Yeah. Some of them, if it's holly, not so much. So I like to put some in the foreground and some in the background. Might just have to move them over a bit. I think I'm happy with that. Maybe might switch these two. I mean, you could mess about forever, couldn't you? With them. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to glue those down carefully. Well, I'm going to glue the ones at the back down. Then this one's going to go in the foreground. I always misplace my dimensionals. That's the one thing that I misplace. But what I think I'll do first is glue that one down. Oh, did that one go there? Yeah, that one went there, didn't it? Now, I'm not a fan of the iridescent, but actually, I'm quite liking it on here now, as opposed to the. And this is the joy of doing the different ones, because you can experiment. And I'm sure you've got plenty of paper left, and you probably have a little bit of card left as well. Well, I know you'll have some card left. There we go. You probably have some white card left. And maybe some, did I say some Misty Moonlight? And a bit of mint macaron. Oh, and you've got a piece of the pink. Probably enough to make another card with the pink. So if you've got, I challenge you now, if you've got bits left and you've been having a great old time and you've got bits of card left, then I challenge you to either carry on crafting or to do it tomorrow or next week or another day and make some. Oh, hang on, my battery is low. Hopefully I'm still filming. Yeah, I think I am. Sorry, my battery was low. Now my phone's, I have to move my phone. So yeah, I challenge you to make some extra cards with the bits that you've got left over. Right, let's move all of this out of the way, all of the debris. And you know what I like to do? I like to line up all the cards, the different designs that I've made. Oh, here we go. try and get them all in shot. I'll try and get a decent photo of them all when the light's a little better. There we go. There are the 6 designs from this year's World Card Making Day Stamper Stack with the Whimsy papers. I really do hope you've enjoyed making the cards. I've really enjoyed working with these colours. They've been a little bit different. They've been sort of fresh and funky colours, and I've really enjoyed them. And I've enjoyed spending a few hours today with you on World Card Making Day. As always, I really appreciate you for choosing me to be your demonstrator and for joining my classes. If you've any questions, or if you've really enjoyed watching and you're in the UK and you'd like any of the products, then please email me at julie@thepaperhaven, not heaven, at thepaperhaven.co.uk, and I'd be happy to help you with a kit. So have a great day. I can't wait to see what you've made. If you're sharing on social media, please use the hashtag WCMD 2021, World Card Making Day 2021, and I can't wait to see what you've made. Thank you so much, and I will probably be asleep by 8 o'clock tonight because I've got a class now this afternoon. And yeah, I will be back on Tuesday for coffee and card round 15, a brand new round of coffee and card. So I will see you then. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Bye bye.